Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 Transit Connect Titanium with a brand new Mini-T conversion. The vehicle has heated leather seats, built-in navigation, adaptive cruise control, blind spot indicators in the mirror. Our conversion includes shore power plug-in cord. This has a lift gate, which works great as an awning. Dometic thermostatically controlled refrigerator, sink, microwave, some LED lighting, a couch that works great that you can sit comfortably in the back. The couch pulls out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. It has solar, dual house batteries, 2000 watt inverter, max air fan, our conversions come with a portable foldable toilet, has a large reverse camera, wireless phone charger, like I said, heated leather seats, comes with two curtains for the front. One is a cloth curtain that's washable. The other is the WeatherTech sunshade. Check out our inventory, www.dlm-distribution.com, or you can call us 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!